Yay! Hi guys. It's a Saturday morning. Going to work. I'm gonna be leaving this one at his father's place. I haven't eaten, by the way. So I get to town. I have to buy something to eat because I'm gonna be hungry and I'm gonna be busy the whole day. So yeah, talk to you guys later.
Of my heart, Lord, open the eyes of my heart, but I wanna see you, yeah, I wanna see you, to see you high and lifted up, and you're shining in the light of your glory. Just pour out your power and love as we sing, holy, 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 to see you high and lifted up. Oh, you're shining in the light.
We are finally going home. Actually going to fetch my kid before heading home. I am super tired. Not gonna lie. Yeah, my dude been craving this for so long, hey? What? Looks really, really pretty.